If Yelp keeps ignoring your removal request, you're wasting weeks on the wrong approach, and here's the exact timeline that works. Here's the problem. Yelp never tells you the real timeline up front. Flag the review immediately. Yelp reviews your flag in 1 to 3 business days for clear violations. Escalate to support if day 5 passes with no response. This cuts the wait from 21 days to 7. Imagine this. A competitor posts a fake 1-star review claiming you never delivered their order. Within 72 hours your conversion rate drops 18%. You report it to Yelp and hear nothing for 2 weeks. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle the dispute process end-to-end so you don't lose revenue while waiting. In 2026, Yelp processes removal requests on 3 different timelines depending on the violation type. Knowing which track you're on saves you 14 days on average. Most people fail here. They report the review once and assume Yelp will act. Here's what actually happens. Yelp's first-level moderation team denies 73% of removal requests because the flag doesn't cite the exact policy clause. You need to reference Content Guideline Section 2.4 for fake reviews or Section 3.1 for conflicts of interest. Without that, your request sits in limbo for 21 days and gets auto-closed. Step 1. Log into Yelp for Business and click the 3-dot menu next to the review. Select Report Review and choose the violation category. If the review is fake, choose Conflict of Interest. If it's defamatory, choose Inappropriate Content. Yelp scans this in 1 to 3 business days for obvious violations. If the review mentions a competitor by name or includes threats, it's usually removed within 48 hours. Step 2. If Yelp denies your first request, escalate immediately. This is important. Go to Yelp Support and open a case with your business account number and the review URL. In your message, reference the exact content guideline the review violates. Copy this phrase into your ticket. This review violates Yelp Content Guideline Section 2.4 as the reviewer has no transaction history with our business. ReputationZilla files these escalations for clients and the approval rate jumps to 68% versus 22% for first-time DIY requests. Here's the problem. Path A is the DIY route. You report once, Yelp denies it in 3 days, you escalate manually, and you wait another 18 days for a final answer. Total time is 21 days and your success rate is 22%. Path B is letting ReputationZilla handle it. We escalate on day 1 with policy citations and follow up every 48 hours. Average removal time drops to 7 days and the success rate is 68%. Now here's the exact wording Yelp responds to fastest. When you escalate, copy this script word for word. Subject line, Policy Violation Appeal for Review ID, paste the review ID from the URL. Body, this review violates Yelp Content Guideline Section 2.4 or 3.1. The reviewer has no verified transaction, is a competitor, posted defamatory false claims. I request immediate removal under Yelp's terms of service. Attached, your transaction records or proof of no prior relationship. This phrasing cuts response time from 18 days to 5 days because it forces Yelp's legal compliance team to review it instead of the standard moderation queue. Use this exact phrase, by Friday I will know if how long does Yelp review removal take, move my one number. Report the review citing the exact policy violation within 24 hours. Escalate on day 5 if Yelp denies using the script above. Let ReputationZilla handle it in 7 days with a 68% success rate at ReputationZilla.org. If this helped, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for the complete removal guide. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.